I can't fit my hair in the frame, y'all. I can't fit it in the frame. It's still going. Woo! It was leg day. That was hard. Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Video just for you guys. And it is all about how I take care of these luscious locks around here. I put up a poll on my Instagram story basically asking you guys, would you be interested in seeing how I take care of my hair, how I basically grew it back from death, how I take care of it without destroying it. I forget exactly what all I put on there, but basically what I do and what I did do to grow my hair very long. Okay, so like, confession. I cut about 3 inches off of my hair like maybe a month ago now. So it's not as long as it was. Like, that was definitely the longest my hair ever had been, but it was kind of overwhelming. It was a lot of hair, so I cut off like 3 inches. So it's not as long. I mean, it's still very long and it's still very heavy and it's so thick now, but so anyway, disclaimer over. I'm gonna teach you my ways, and that's really what we're here for. Okay? Oh god. I don't know if this is gonna work. Okay, so like here she is. This is what the top looks like. Can you see? Like my bum is right here. You get it? Like, she long. Okay? She long. Basically, everybody just wants to know, how did I grow my hair this long? Because I was known as somebody who wore hair extensions every day. Speaking of hair extensions, I mean, these are 22 inch or 24. I think they're 24 inch. Bellamy 280 gram, I think. I'm not 100% sure. I don't really remember anymore. These are so old. But they're still in amazing shape. I can no longer wear those because they aren't as long as my hair. My natural hair is actually longer than the extensions, so it looks really weird whenever I put them in. And really, I don't need to wear extensions anymore. I used to wear it for length, and I used to wear it for fullness and volume and thickness. And no, my hair isn't the most voluminous, but she's thick. And she's heavy, but she's healthy. And that's something that it was not whenever I was younger. So that's why I wore extensions. I no longer wear hair extensions whatsoever. I just don't see the need for them. We'll start from the cleansing process. How about that? One of the most controversial topics about hair care is, how often do you wash your hair? Me personally, I wash my hair about every 5 days. That's just what works best for me. My hair does really well. Today, I am on day 2 hair. I went to the gym today. I got sweaty. I did my thing. I took care of it, and you'd never know. I am a grease monster. Super sweaty, I'm a piglet, and my hair is no exception. She grows. I take the steps necessary to keep her clean for a lengthy period of time. And whenever I tell people that I don't wash my hair that frequently, whenever I wash it like every 5 days or so, they immediately are like, no, I can't do that. I can't do that. I used to wash my hair daily, and by the end of that day, it would be a grease ball. Like, I get it. I have been there. I have been in your shoes, and I also had your shitty hair. Essentially, what you have to train your hair. You have to train it to realize, okay, bitch, we're not gonna get cleanliness for a couple more days, so we have got to take care of ourselves. And now it does. Now in the summertime, will I change that? Maybe yes, maybe I'll wash my hair every 3 to 4 days. It just really depends. Honestly, being 1000% real, that was the #1 thing that helped my hair grow and helped it become healthy, was stop stripping it of all of its natural goodiness and letting it take care of itself. The hardest thing that I do not understand why people just don't try, why they're not even willing to try, but there it is right there. The #1 way that I grew my hair and made it healthier. Let me share some of the secrets. Okay. So whenever it comes to washing my hair, after I've decided, okay, today's a wash day, pretty much any time that I use a shampoo, I want it to be a lightening and a toning shampoo because I don't like to color my hair. That's another way that I grew my hair out as quickly as I did, is I stopped coloring my hair. It wasn't up until recently. I hadn't colored my hair, I think in 3 years, 2 years. It was definitely at the plural years mark. Thankfully, my hair naturally like kind of ombres itself, I guess, because the ends of my hair as it grows out, it definitely gets lighter and lighter, whereas the top is a little bit darker. It's just naturally how it grows, so it doesn't look horrible. I don't really need to do a lot of color maintenance on my hair. But one thing that I do to kind of help keep the color, you know, fresh and fun and beautiful, is I use shampoos like this. So the first one that I have here, I'll be for real, it's not my favorite, but it's the one that I'm using right now. So this is the Shermac, I think it's called Shermac Silver Brightening Ageless Shampoo. It's okay. I really don't see a whole lot of toning effect from this shampoo, but it is very soft and gentle on my hair, whereas the next shampoo is not. So this is the Fanola No Yellow shampoo. I really like this shampoo. It is so powerful, stupid powerful. It stains your hands purple powerful, but it is very drying on your hair. So I don't use this one every single time that I shower. I kind of go back and forth between the two. I think another key to my hair growth and to my hair health are these two conditioners that I'm going to mention next. I always condition my hair, and I condition all the way down, every inkling of my hair, including my scalp. So the first thing that I use is the Clear Scalp and Hair Total Care Conditioner. I have psoriasis on my scalp. It is not fun. Used to be so bad until I started using this product right here. This is just so moisturizing, and it's just so healing, and I have not had a breakout or a flare up on my scalp since I started using this years ago, like in high school. And then this guy. This is the Macadamia Natural Oil Deep Repair Mask. I stand by this product. I'm almost empty. I need to get another tub. I use this every single time that I wash my hair. I don't use a regular conditioner on the rest of my hair because I use a hair mask. It is something that works really well for my hair. It really nourishes it, and it brings a lot of life to it, and it makes it so soft and silky. This is what I use to condition the ends of my hair. I don't put it up in the top of my hair because that's what will make my head greasy and all that nonsense. This does not make the top of your head greasy. Not at all. So now that we are out of the shower, let's start talking about what I put in my hair. I put a leave-in conditioner in my hair every single time that I wash it, just to help ensure the moisturization and the nourishment and just conditioning of my hair. So the one that I really enjoy is, it's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Conditioner, and I basically spray this everywhere. Like, I will turn my head to the side and and up on the top and all the way down the back. I have a lot of hair, people. I use a lot of product. And I will either take a, what are you called? Like a comb? A tooth comb? I feel like this has another name. Whatever this is called, the toothy comb, the white tooth comb. Is that what it's called? So as my hair is wet, I will take it and I start at the end and I brush gently all the way through. And I'm feeling impatient. Then the brush that I use is, I don't want to show it because it's so gross. It's like kind of embarrassing that I use this, but I use it. So I'm not going to show what it looks like. I'll just show you the back of it. So this is a wet brush. I love this brush. Since I've started using this brush a couple years ago, I have noticed very little breakage to my hair. It is just, it's helped so much with that aspect, with the breakage aspect. It's so gentle. It doesn't tug or yank on your hair. So you can literally just like, I really like this. I will sometimes brush my hair with this when it's wet. Also, I do the exact same technique. Just take my time not to rip a bunch of my hairs out because your hair is the most tender when it's wet. And then I typically sit with like a little hair turban on my head for like an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours, whatever I really feel like, before I actually dry my hair. So I let the product really sit and soak in for a while before I apply any heat to my head. And by doing that, I actually get to reduce the amount of heat that is required to dry the rest of my hair. At this length and at the thickness that my hair has achieved, it takes me from, if I started immediately from leaving the shower, it'd probably take me about a half hour, 25 minutes roughly to dry my hair. That is far too long. I don't have time for that. By allowing it to like air dry or dry in the turban a little bit for that amount of time, it cuts my hair drying to like 10 to 15 minutes. So that's better than the former. So as far as hair dryer, this is the one that I use. I recently picked it up and I really, really like it because it's so powerful. This is the Conair Infinity Pro. I really like this blow dryer because, one, it does not get crazy hot, so it's not burning my hair. Even whenever I have it on the hot setting, it never actually gets that hot. And it is so powerful. So it's actually like helping to cut down on dry time, and I really like it. So this is a good one, and I got it on sale. It was like originally like $50 some and I bought it for $25. Then if I apply any heat styling to, oh my gosh, I completely forgot this product. So before I blow dry my hair, let's back it up a little bit. Before I blow dry my hair, I actually spray a little bit of this into it. This is the Kenra Platinum Blow Dry Spray. This is a thermal protectant, and it also like adds shine to your hair and just helps speed up dry time also. So, and I don't put a ton of this in because this will leave your hair greasy, and I just mainly focus it on the ends of my hair. If I apply any heat to my hair, it's typically just to straighten it a little bit. I do have naturally like wavy to straight hair. More so wavy, like in the underneath, and on top it's pretty straight. So if I just want to get everything looking nice and congruent, and you know, if I want it all straight, I'll straighten it super quick. I used to literally like take my hair and piece it off and straighten like every strand individually. That's insane. I cannot believe I used to do that. That was destroying my hair. Now what I do is I take this item right here. This is the Numi Megastar straightener. I have had this probably for 6 years now. I'm pretty sure I got this in 2013. So I've had this for so long and it still works like a dream. So I will literally just take like huge chunks of my hair and just like focus like on the ends and everything and just straighten it, going over it just a handful of times. I don't need to straighten my hair a ton. Like, it's just not necessary whatsoever. And I don't do that every time that I wash my hair. A lot of times I just let my hair go, let her be free, let her just do what she wants, honey. Another thing to mention whenever I do blow dry my hair is I do use a round brush. I don't know how to use a round brush properly. I just like how that particular one, I think it helps speed up the drying process. I don't know, it's some sort of fancy one that I got a long time ago, so that's what I use. But like I said, I don't really know how to use a round brush. So now that my hair is dry, so something that I like to do after my hair is dry and I'm kind of done messing with it is I go in with a hair oil. This is the Rin Pure Coconut Oil Rejuvenating Dry Oil. I will take some, pour it out onto my hand, warm it up, and I will literally grab my hair and just run it through, focusing it on the ends, you know, taking it through like this. And then once I have the majority of it off of my hands, that's when I will kind of like finger comb it through the rest of my hair. I put hair oil on probably like 3 or 4 times a week. I think it really helps to keep my hair from drying out, help it to remain looking very silky and shiny and soft, and just everything that you want your hair to be. So whenever my hair is aging in filth, I try to touch it up and keep it looking fresh and smelling fresh. I have raved about this product for, I think, years now. So many people who know that I use dry shampoo know this is the one I use. So this is the Batiste Instant Hair Refresh Dry Shampoo. This one is in the original scent. Another one I like is Wild. Another one is Fresh. Tropical is another good one. They're bomb. And you can buy these at TJ Maxx or Marshall's or somewhere like that, and they're literally half the price that you pay at Ulta or somewhere else. This is amazing. Literally, hands down, 10 out of 10, the best dry shampoo on the market. I use it pretty much like from day 2 on, as far as, you know, keeping my hair clean, I guess. And the best thing about this is when I used to have darker colored hair, like I used to be obsessed with dyeing my hair because I always wanted what I didn't have. I always wanted black hair. I always wanted brown hair. I always wanted red hair. And they actually have dry shampoo colors that coordinate with those hair colors. So whenever you spray it on, you actually don't get a white cast. It sprays out the color of your hair. So it looks super natural and nobody would ever know that you have a head full of dry shampoo. I don't like to use a lot of product in my hair because I don't like the way that it feels. I don't like having like crunchy or like gummy feeling hair. I just like it to be very soft and silky, and like if I want to do anything with it, I just want to be able to. So I really don't put a whole lot of product in my hair. That's just not something that I enjoy. I know a lot of people do, and that's totally cool. Like, I know they make volumizing like mousses and gels and things like that, but it makes the top of your hair feel so gross, and I just don't like that. So I'd just rather have it flat against my head. And I literally just learned about these the other day, and they have been life-changing, let me tell you. So this is a thick hair tie. It is, I think, like double the circumference of a regular hair tie. And basically, I can wrap this around my particular ponytail 4 times, and it holds my hair in place, and it doesn't move, and I'm not constantly adjusting it all day, which does end up naturally breaking your hair. 10 out of 10 amazing. Like, I don't know where I was without these before. Like, thank God thick hair ties exist. Another way that I put my hair up, I guess we'll talk about like how I wear my hair up, because it's no secret I like to wear my hair up. I do not like having hair in my face. It's so annoying. Like right now, like I'm constantly pushing my hair back. Like I want it out of my face. I can't stand it. So another way that I pull my hair back is with scrunchies. They are so much gentler on your hair, and they look cute and they hold it out of place. So I will just take one like this and pull it back and just, you know, tie it around and call it a day. It's fine. Love a good scrunchie. I will sometimes have people ask me, how did you style your hair today? And it's whenever I have it like pinned up right here on the top of my head. And it's literally with a clip. So another way that I avoid breakage on my hair is I don't always tie it up with a hair tie or a scrunchie or something like that. I clip it. So I literally will just take all of my hair and I will put it on the top of my head and I twist it a few times and then I loop it to the front and then pin it like that. And sometimes you guys see me wear my hair like this in videos just because it's out of my face, it's up out of the way, it's up off of my neck, I don't feel as hot. Now I think that covers everything. Like I said before, the major takeaways of how I take care of my hair nowadays that a lot of people don't do, that I saw major growth and major changes in my hair, was I stopped washing it as frequently. I stopped applying a ton of heat product on it. I quit coloring it and I just started using better hair products. And as you saw, I mean, I don't use a ton of stuff. I'm not a hairstylist, I'm not a hairdresser, I'm not anything of that nature. Like, I don't really know what I'm talking about. I'm just sharing with you things that I have done that have changed my hair. So yeah, I think that covers everything as to how I've taken care of these luscious locks over the last couple of years to achieve the growth and the length and the color and all of that nonsense that I have currently. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you found it informative. So thank you so much for tuning into this video, guys. I really appreciate it. Give this video a like if you did enjoy it. Comment down below any of your hair care secrets. How do you achieve your luscious locks? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of the fun. And I think that covers it. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!